morning, everyone. Good morning, good day, good evening, wherever you are. Nice to meet ya, yeah. And I'm about to head out, so I'm all dressed and everything. I'm about to go and meet my friend because she's actually leaving Korea. So it's pretty sad. We're gonna say bye and everything. We're gonna spend some time together. And then afterwards, we are actually going to bring all of her leftover stuff, the things that she doesn't need anymore, and get it to my apartment. Because I need some stuff anyways, so that's perfect. So I'm about to head out to Hapjeong. It's very close from here, so I'm gonna walk there. It's about 10-minute walk, maybe 15 minutes. Okay, let's go everyone. Let's go, 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 go.
I let my guard down. Certain things ain't the same now. Hard to navigate these problems. I'm by myself, you're not around. I try to open up, it wasn't good enough.
What does it taste like then?
Strawberry, maybe vanilla.
Vanilla?
Yes, but it's weird.
Can't get ugly, trust and believe me. Say it to myself, looks are deceiving. Trying to fight back this far from easy.
I'm buying this one. Yay. Okay, the toothpaste. Oh, the gochujang. The struggle of living in Korea, don't you think? We came to a cafe. So cozy in here. We've actually been there a few times before, the two of us. So it's one of our favorites.
I had a feeling that you would feel.
But this is amazing. I don't know. It doesn't look blueberry at all, but it tastes so much blueberry. Every time we come here, it's just us. Right? I got a ham and cheese croissant and an ice americano.
Sit around the fireside, really feeling that I like every little time that I get a chance to close.
I see you.
Maybe you can over like you really know me. Maybe take a picture, take a couple, guess it's free. I don't wanna give another guarantee. Look me in the eyes right now, run away with me. Or to a place that you thought you never really see. Free. All I ever was, afraid to take the plunge. I
This is the new angle. No sauce. 네, 감사합니다. 이거 얼마예요? 5,000원. Oh no!
Oh no! Oh! It's pretty windy. Which one?
Hello everyone. The day has come. I am moving. So I've packed up everything. I only have a few small things left, but basically all done. And I'm currently waiting for my friend to come, because she's coming here to help me out to carry it all and everything. And we're gonna go and take a taxi with all my stuff. Hopefully it will all fit, maybe not, maybe not. And at the new apartment, another friend will help us get it all up and sort my new apartment out. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm moving. Wow, I have way too much stuff. Look at this. Wow.
Did you take masks?
Yes. Okay. Oh, and this one too. You see one? No. Yay, we got everything in, guys. It broke. 어? 오. 어때? The station.
Yeah.
Where coexist?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Gangnam.
Gangnam. You're all just like. And then this one. 먹자.
Okay.
오. 잠시만요. 여기. Good morning, everyone. I'm about to head out because today I am going to Ikea because I'm going to get some things for my new apartment. And I'm going there with some friends and we're gonna spend the day there. We're gonna have some food, some Swedish food after too. So I'm excited for today. And you guys get to come with me today. So see ya there. No, maybe not there, but wherever I am next. Okay, bye. 타이밍트 하나 주세요. 아이스. 네. 네. 네, 감사합니다. 감사합니다. 뭐야? 그거 괜찮았어? 이거 좀 먹을까? 이거. 짜잔! 맛있겠다. 이거 어떻게 먹지? 이거 진짜 스웨덴 음식 아니야 이거. 이거는 한국 김치하고 밑밥? 이거 뭐야? 한국.
안녕히 계세요, 여러분.
이렇게.
We arrived at Ikea. I'm looking for a pen. 너무 귀여워요.
비싸.
얼마야?
3만 원.
안 돼. 안 돼. Good morning, everyone. I am on my way to take my third shot of the vaccine. Thank you. Wait. Just making sure there's no people. Yes, so I am on my way right now. Just gonna throw my trash out. Here we go. Good morning, everyone. Today it's oh my god, and it's 6:30 in the morning, and I'm doing my makeup because today me and my friends are going skiing. Woo! And we're going skiing at a place that's about 2 hours away. We'll just see wherever the day takes us. I am walking towards the what? Oh, I can't function this early in the morning. I'm sorry. The station, the theater station. What's that in English? The subway. 할 수 있어. 진짜 오늘 break time. 야 지금 찍고 있어. 넌 진짜? 나? 어. I am on my way to buy some food because I lost the bet. Oh, it's so freaking hot today, and I put so much clothes on because I thought it was gonna be so cold, but oh my god, it's so hot. So I'm about to go and get some burgers. Okay, let's get it.
너도 제일 싫어.